Should you buy staked Ethereum now for a potential arbitrage opportunity a year from now? That's what we're talking about today. This is not financial advice, but my name is Heidi and this is Crypto Tips, and we do appreciate it if you hit the like button and hit subscribe if you haven't yet. Check out the CT Club down below where you will know exactly what we're doing with our cryptos and why. It's become apparent that stETH is trading at a deficit to Ethereum. stETH is a liquidity token granted to people who are staking their Ethereum. So it's basically a secondary market. It's not explicitly supposed to or designed to be one-to-one with Ethereum. What it is designed to do and what you will be able to do with it is claim one stETH gives you one Ethereum. Logic has it, if stETH is trading at a deficit and Ethereum is higher, that's a good opportunity to find some profit. But here is the big but. I'm going to give you the bad scenario first, and we're going to end on a good scenario, because who doesn't like ending on a good note? Okay, so the bad news, or the bad scenario would be that the price action we're seeing with Ethereum leading up to the merge occurring, which could be September 19th of this year, about 2 months from now, could be that people are buying the rumor, getting ready to sell the news. Is that a long-term sell of the news? I don't know. How long does it take for you to claim your staked Ethereum for your Ethereum? Is there a line? Yes, there is. So will you be able to redeem that fast enough to, again, take advantage of the arbitrage opportunity? Here's the good scenario, is that because I mentioned that there's number one, once the merge happens, if it happens again on September 19th, 2022, everyone who is staking their Ethereum will have to wait at least 6 to 12 months until they will be able to redeem staked stETH for their Ethereum. Again, there is a line, but if this market, I mean, I'm not an expert, I'm not claiming to be, but if this market behaves anything like we are used to the timing of it being, if Q4 of 2022 is the bottom of the market, and 1 year after that, that's when the bull run typically starts to kick off. So will a bull market be able to absorb all that new capital entering the crypto market during a bull run, all of that illogical, irrational buying of cryptocurrencies, Ethereum being the second largest cryptocurrency listed by market cap? Will this unleashing of this staked Ethereum be an amazing arbitrage opportunity for those who buy stETH today? If you're holding long term for Ethereum, I think this is a great opportunity. Again, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. What you do with this information is your responsibility. I'm just here trying to shed some light on some opportunities for you. This is Crypto Tips. My name is Heidi. I'll see you again soon. But until then, hope you're staying happy and healthy. I haven't said that in a while. And hit like and subscribe. Bye, guys.